Do you know how to reset an IKEA DWT160 dishwasher?
Hiya, my name is. I'll be trying to assist you today. Can you tell me the buttons you have on the control panel, please? Thanks.
3 buttons from left to right: power on/off, timer button, select/cancel button. The exact type is in this YouTube film. I think I have the same problem as shown in this film. https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals FTCCUA_B.
Hiya, sorry, if it won't accept a command, it suggests a faulty control board. I'll opt out of the question as I can't find the machine on Whirlpool Technical. Online search suggests this model is made by Whirlpool. Sorry.
Well, it does accept commands. I'm able to reset the program and to select a new program. When I select a program and close the machine, the pump starts running instead of letting in water. After some time, I hear beeps indicating that something is wrong. I hoped a full reset would solve the problem. A faulty control board seems unlikely to me. I expect that interrupting the program caused the software to get stuck somewhere. Anyway, if you don't know how to reset it, I suppose I'll have to call IKEA next week to send a service technician. Thanks for your help.
I misunderstood your first post. I wrongly read it as you could reset, originally, and assumed this meant you no longer could. I've no information on this model, so I'd rather not guess at the fault. However, the fact it runs the drain pump first shows it is working to some extent, then it stops and beeps an alarm at you. A dishwasher starts a program by running the drain pump first for a flushing sequence. I'd suggest you check the water supply to the machine first.
The water supply is okay. The pump keeps running after the beeps, and it keeps running when I open the machine.
Okay, with this new information, I'd suggest you check the anti-flood device in the base, if fitted. If the switch is activated, it will cause the problem. If the switch is stuck, it will cause the problem. If all is okay in the base, then it's back to the control board.
Okay, the bottom plate was completely filled with water. So we made it dry and the machine is working again. It is still leaking, so the new rubber did not solve that problem, but at least it is working again. Thanks a lot for your help.
Hi, thanks for letting me know. Once you locate and cure the leak, the machine will be fine again. Good luck with it. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.